Hi there, I'm Holly Blazina, and I've got another Tango Falseta for you today that can be done in por fiesta setting, which is what we're going to be doing this summer. So we're putting a couple of falsetas out there so that people have got material for them if you happen to be a local. And if you would like to see a little tutorial on this, then be sure to join my mailing list, and then you'll find a tutorial video for this in my Facebook group, which I'll either add you to it or you can come do a request to join on Facebook, and I'll add you in. So I'm also going to throw in a little palo seco thing at the end of the video so that you can see how that works, because we're going to for sure be using that in the workshops that we're doing this summer too. So this is from the Latcho Drom movie, which is yeah, it's just super cool. It's based on that. Anyways, I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video because I just want to get into the falseta. That's how that goes. And the palo seco is something that where the guitarists play the instrument like a drum, and then the dancers do footwork to it, in case you're not familiar with that. So we can just do this for a long time. Of course, these rolls sound much better when they're really warmed up. So, and I just provided a second variation there. Both of them have the same rhythm. You can use them interchangeably. It's just that one of them uses one hand pattern and one of them uses a different strum pattern. So, and again, the tutorial for that will be also in the Facebook group. So yeah, the Latcho Drom thing though, if you haven't seen that movie, I recommend that you do. Just take a look for it on YouTube. There's translations, and what it does is it's a musical documentary that traces the path of the migration path of the gypsies from Rajasthan all the way through Northern Africa and the Middle East and Eastern Europe and the Mediterranean, and eventually it ends up in Spain. So it's like every destination has a musical example or two, and it's just amazing and fantastic. And so if you haven't seen it, I really recommend that you go and check it out, because it's really, really worthwhile. So do that. Hopefully I'll see you over in the Facebook group, and let me know how the video works out for you. You might be able to pick it up just from this without the tutorial. I'm curious to know how it works for you.